Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special. I do believe it's an Amazon unboxing to do. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And you guys could check these people out. Link will be down below. Place your order and they'll ship it to you. We'll see what's inside this box, which I think it's Amazon. I do believe. Put you guys down a little. There we go. Now bring you guys back up. Alrighty, what do we got here? Alrighty, here we go. I do believe this is an Amazon product, also coming from Rockspace. This is a dual band Wi-Fi repeater. Works with any Wi-Fi router. Easy setup. Number is AC2100 Rockspace. Check these guys out for all your dead spots in your home. You'll be roaming no time. AC2100 dual band Wi-Fi range, wireless router single. Probably gotta put one in my room. And then I got two of them. I think they're the same. Yeah, they're about the same. So now let's get inside to see what inside the box. Definitely check these guys out. This being a nice little housewarming gift, somebody Christmas as like a surprise gift, birthdays and whatnot. So check them out, and I'll leave the link down below. Oops. Now since we are using our internet a lot more, this will definitely help you guys out with gaming, doing Twitch streams and all that good stuff. Especially on YouTube. I stream it a lot more. And now, a box inside of a box. Inside, we got the manual. And probably gonna need that, so keep that on standby. And here we go. Oh, that's a nice little design. Nothing else in there. Close that back up. Also, I could use my iPhone and probably do it that way. Put that away. I'll just open one for now because it's the same as the other. So I'll just keep one open. And then, like I said, you guys check them out. Put the link down below. That's a nice unit. Whoa. Check this out. Oh, how do I... Oh, boy. Dang, look at these. WPS power single. There's the Ethernet plug right there. Probably plug it down here to start it up and give it a test run. Manual time. I'm gonna read about it and then I'll be back and let you know what happened. Alrighty guys, we are back and now we are going to plug her in. Got a little outlet right there. Oh man, it's backwards, but it still should be alright. I can still do it backwards. Oh baby. You could do like crazy antenna motion, get it up, get that little down more. And then gotta go to the Wi-Fi. Oops, screen too bright. Right there should be good. Go in your Wi-Fi settings. I think it should be good to go. Got the power. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, there it is. Rocket Space. So I mean, if you want to make it secured, you're gonna hook it up to your, oh, right there. You can set your own password and everything. I'm gonna do that quick. Pause, you guys. Alrighty, guys, look at this. We extended it to Wi-Fi because I got that one working right there, and it should be good to go. So now I am good on my Wi-Fi. So like I said, this would be a nice one to get at a low cost. All you gotta do, click the link down below, check them out, get one of these Wi-Fi extenders by Rocket Space. Look at that. Ooh. Signal PWR is good to go. We got it going, guys. So really nice to have extra around your house. You guys will be happy with the streaming, the gaming, watching movies. That fell, but she is rocking. So you guys be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.